OpenAI recently introduced its groundbreaking innovation, Sora, a text-to-video AI model that creates stunningly realistic videos up to a minute long. This breakthrough exceeds all expectations, setting Sora apart from existing AI video models like Stable Video Diffusion and private products like Pika. What makes Sora exceptional is its ability to generate videos from text prompts and render them in various aspect ratios. While Sora is not yet available to the public, it's inevitable that it will be. So, the real question now is, how can you make money with this revolutionary technology? The first one is stock footage revolution. Consider the stock footage industry where clips are sold for use in various videos. The potential of Sora is game-changing here. With a subscription, users can create numerous animated backgrounds or specific footage in minutes. This means you won't need to rely on existing stock footage sites, which can be expensive. You could start your own site offering exclusive, original content according to your needs. The second way by which you can make money is by customizing short-form promotional content. Businesses spend huge resources on creating short-form promotional content. However, Sora could streamline this process by allowing a single individual to shoot a raw video of a product and then transform it into an engaging commercial with special effects and various shots. This could revolutionize the way brands approach promotional content, saving both time and money. Up next is by democratizing long-form content and storytelling. Sora's impact might extend to long-form content creation, potentially democratizing the film industry similarly to how YouTube revolutionized media in 2006. Imagine a budding storyteller crafting the next cinematic masterpiece from their room using just a laptop and a Sora subscription. This could diminish the need for massive studios and thousands of employees. The democratization of storytelling might pose a challenge to established giants like Disney and Pixar, but it's a life-changing opportunity for a new generation of content creators. Sora enables anyone with storytelling skills to create compelling narratives without the need for extensive resources. This could lead to a flood of new content on platforms like YouTube, challenging mainstream media in the same way internet content creators disrupted traditional media. In essence, Sora won't create entirely new markets, but will significantly lower barriers for new participants, especially on the production side. This aligns with the essence of technological advancements, making tasks easier, more productive, and ultimately more enjoyable. As Sora becomes available, it's obvious to expect a boost of content on how to monetize this technology on platforms like YouTube. The focus will be on making production more accessible, democratizing content creation, and transforming traditional markets. Exciting times are ahead, where technology continues to simplify our lives and make our jobs more enjoyable. Share your thoughts on other ways to monetize Sora in the comments, and stay tuned for more insights on this transformative technology.